Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rima Bauan from Philippines, 33 years old, single. I am graduate TQUK Diploma in Caregiving Level 2. I work abroad as a domestic worker in Malaysia for 2 years. I serve 2 adults and 2 children. And also I work in Hong Kong for 7 years. First employer, I finished 2 years. To my second employer, I finished 4 years. To my third employer, I work 1 year and I serve 2 adults and 2 children. My duties are taking care the children, taking care the elderly, cooking, marketing, car washing and cleaning, ironing the clothes, and washing the clothes. Mom and sir, I am trustworthy, honesty, and hardworking. Mom and sir, if I choose me, I promise I'll do my best and I finish my contract. Thank you, mom and sir.